It's Mr. Friday. Sorry about last week, didn't have anything for you, was very busy. But today, we're gonna be doing some cutting. So let me show you this DIY project that I'm gonna take on. It is from VRF Design. Rich has designed it. And show you the pieces. Here is the finished product, what it should look like. Same runners, and tank with the whole tank, billet, yeah, a nice quality piece. And what we have to do is cut a stock intake manifold, which is this, and take that piece off. So if you don't have the right tools, it's okay, you can use a Sawzall. But the measurements that we're going to be using and what I've been measuring it with, since these are all casting marks, from here at the top of that, at the edge of the end tank, and from there you're about 51 to 52 millimeters. 52 millimeters right there. That's where we're going to want to do it. 51, cut, mark it at 51 and both sides. That's going to be 51 also. So what I did, got that measurement, 51, and made the line there, made the line there. So I'm going to use a Sawzall to cut this off, and you're going to see me do that. I'm going to cut this off with a Sawzall, and hope for the best. I'm going to keep a lot of room over, or I'm going to keep a lot of room because I can use a belt sander to flatten it all out. So let's go ahead and cut this thing. Alright, here we go. Mr. Friday cutting stuff. I already started just a little bit, see where my line's at, and let's go ahead and keep finishing. Let's go all the way through. Alright, so I just finished it cutting. I had to get another blade because this one snapped, but she's all cut. Here's the top piece. Ugh. Here's the top piece. Here's the bottom piece. So all we do is kind of sand things down. I bought a little belt sander. Yeah, she's cut up, and so this is what we'll have next. So I just have to make everything just like that. So I just need to make everything flush, and then I'll have my buddy come out and weld this up for me. But just need to make it all flat. Alright, so here's the finished product. She's all flat. All flat. Ready to get welded up. So the final product is almost near, it just needs to be welded up. There's that. You can see that it was all flattened out. I used a belt sander and a sawzall to cut that manifold up. And like I said, the finished product will look like this. There it is. That's going to be the finished product. There's this. That comes with it comes with the kit. Has this right here. Has your full tank. Has that end cap that I just kind of loosely put it on. You have your billet adapter. I'm pretty sure Rich will develop a adapter piece or have multiples of these, so you can put whatever throttle body you choose. Either it's an Audi or a Toyota or whatever it may be. So tomorrow or the next day, I'll bring the manifold to my buddy for it to be welded, and then I'll show you the finished product. You already saw the parts that I'm going to be using. I'm going to take out this. I'm going to be making new pipes. Probably go blow off, delete the blow off valve for the time being, so it's not going to have a blow off valve until I find weld in a new whatever. I'll have different coils. Let's see. I'll have the new throttle body, new wiring harness, and I think that's it. Well, in the meantime, I'm going to remove that intake manifold and test fit the VRF intake manifold, see if there's any clearance issues. I heard that there was some issues with the latch, so if there is, with the hood latch, if there is a issue with it, then I'll maybe go down a little bit more on the height, or at least put some angle into the cut. So let's go ahead and take out the intake manifold. You've seen it done before, so it's going to be real quick. Yeah, let's go ahead and pull that intake manifold out. Well, I decided to change it up a little bit. I'm just tearing things apart. Let's see. Right now, I just took off the full harness, full wiring harness. It's there, right down right there. And so I am going to take off fuel rail. I'm going to install the fuel rail, and then I'm going to take off this. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, so I finished, and this is more of a mock-up than anything else, but this is what it would sort of look like. Until the finished product, when we get my DIY intake manifold made up, this is what it will look like. Ooh. I installed the fuel rail. It has a 1200cc injectors. These coils are going to be changed out. I need to get the proper size bolts to fit the throttle body. But yeah, there is that intake manifold. That looks good. Alright folks, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. The next video that you will see is that intake manifold being welded up by my good buddy. Yeah, that's version 2 of the intake manifold. If you can, like, comment, and subscribe. If you've watched the whole thing, comment below saying how boosted boosting. So till next time, I'll see you on the next video. Later.